So in this video you're going to learn how to secure WordPress website from hackers less than 1 minute, and also I'm going to show to you how you could scan your website for viruses and how to add SSL to your website. So basically you see this padlock, I'm going to show you how you could add that. So guys, before we begin, we need to understand why do hackers hack. The reason could be for credit card information, or it could be for just stealing your contact infos or your username and password, or using your website as a SEO spam, posting irrelevant and some other advertisement. Okay, so before I begin guys, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. And if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan and I do a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, so please consider subscribing. So let's begin guys. So currently right now we are on the WordPress dashboard and I'm using Bluehost. So it's one of the best web hosting. Everything, the domain is free, they give you free SSL, and I have 70% discount. The link is in the description. So let's begin. So basically right now I'm into my WordPress dashboard. Just click on plugins, click on add new, click and just search iThemes. Okay, and then as you could see, it has almost 1 million downloads. You can just click install now. Once it's installed, you can click on activate. And once it's activated, you just click on settings, secure your website. So it's just scanning your website for any issues. And I would also make sure to activate my brute force protection, and then everything is done. And then just close, and then as you could see, we have scanned our website, and make sure this is enabled. So once I go to my website, I could see this padlock over here. Also one more thing, I will show it to you. If you just open my website on incognito, just click on admin. If I try doing something else and log in, it shows me invalid username. And once I come back to my site, I click on logs, and as you could see, there's notice. So at this moment, this person has invalid login, so all the logs are there. And guys, this is how you install and secure your website from hackers. And also one more thing guys, the free gift I told you. So I have a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. The link is down below. And also please consider subscribing guys, and see you in the next video.